everyone, welcome back to Do It with Diana. Today we are going to go ahead and be doing our BoxyCharm unboxing, and as you can see, this box is bigger than my head, and that is because it is the December BoxyLuxe BoxyCharm. And for this month, the theme is BoxyCharm Whimsy, and even the card is bigger than my face. So there is a lot of products in here, and as you can see, I have no makeup on. I just woke up like a couple hours ago, just because there are skincare items that I wanted to try out on camera for you guys. As well, I recently got my BoxyCharm this past Wednesday the 18th, which is why I'm barely filming this. The owner actually of BoxyCharm went ahead and noted that there is a lot of high volume shipping, and that's why the boxes were delayed so much this month. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first product that we will be trying is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and it comes in this little package. It does retail for $38, and it says that it is for all skin types. However, you guys know your face is better than anyone else. So if you know that your face breaks out easily, or like if it's very sensitive, just use it with caution. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and wash my face real quick, and then I'll let you know. Actually, it says it has rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. So let's go ahead and try this out. So you guys know the drill on this. I'm just gonna wash my face in super speed mode, and then I will tell you how I feel about it. It smells a lot like cucumbers, and I really like it. It does take more than one try, obviously, to tell you how this really works, but as of right now, I really like it, and I look forward to trying it out a little bit more. Next product is actually the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Face Oil. This one actually retails for $79, and this was one of the BoxyCharm choice picks. But this is how the packaging looks, and you open it up, and it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but this is how small it is, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. Right away, as soon as I opened it, it smelled like roses, so I'm kind of really digging that. For those of you out there that don't know me that well, roses are actually my favorite flower, and I'm actually just gonna go ahead and pour this all over my face. I didn't even read the instructions, to be honest with you guys, but it's oil. This is gonna work as my primer pretty much. Ooh, okay, so the whole room smells like roses now, which is fantastic, and so does my face. Next product is actually the QMS MEDICOSMEDICS Lip Line Corrector, and I was pretty astonished when I saw this one in specific, because the price for this one actually retails for $200. You heard that right, it is $200, and it comes in this, and it's very plasticky like packaging for $200, but it says it's a lip corrector. It's supposed to go ahead and it's for the upper lip area, and it corrects the fine lines and wrinkles. It's $200, so I was pretty shocked when I saw this. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this settle into my face, and then we'll get started with the rest of the box. The rest of the box is actually more face products, so I will go ahead and just do my face makeup and get started with the next item. So as you guys can see, we went ahead and changed the whole scenery here, and as well, I went ahead and did my base of my face. And so the next product that I am gonna go ahead and show you guys is the CIATE Marbled Light Illuminating Blush, and I am obsessed with marble, like just in general. So when I saw this on the BoxyCharm Instagram, I was like, oh my gosh, it's marble. And then I saw a review on it, and I'm just like, oh, it doesn't really look marble. But it comes in this cute little packaging, and it retails for $26. And then if you open it, you can see that I'm right here. And it does look matte, but let's go ahead and try it out, because I already did pretty much everything else, but I should probably dust this off. So here I have a second handy dandy mirror. And you basically want to get the apples of your cheeks. So if you see that I'm smiling weird, that's why. So, ooh. So it does look really nice. It gives my cheeks a nice rosy glow. And I really don't want to overdo it, but this is pretty much how it looks, and it looks really cute. Okay, so that gives it a good good little rosy hue, so that's not that bad. I thought it was going to be a little bit more powerful, but the shade that I went ahead and got is called Dusk, but I really like it because it goes in with my skin tone and it's not too like 80s bright pink cheeks. And then the fifth product that I have on here is actually the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales, and I got the Briar Rose palette, and it's like this, it's as big as my head. But it opens up like this, and as you guys can see, it has all the colors right here. So today we are going to be doing a little holiday shopping. I know it is really late in the season for shopping, but we are going to do a little shopping. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick little eye look to make it look a little pop, but also not that much. Okay, so as you can see, I just went ahead and used the pink and neutral tones. This is a really pigmented palette, and there is a little bit of a fallout, but it's really nice. I really like all the basic colors. I want to try maybe this one and this one. I know usually I don't even go for bold colors, but those would be really good for like New Year's, or like especially this one right here. And then this one is actually called Fairies. And then as well, I know that for these there's multiple types. There's like the Robin Hood palette. This one is the Briar one, and it says life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. And honestly, I can attest to that. I know that sometimes times seem like really hard, or like you seem kind of hopeless. Not, well, I mean, everyone kind of goes through that sometimes. But honestly, I wouldn't change it for anything, because out of something bad, something good always comes out. So yeah, so that is the finished eye look. And then this one, I don't know if I went ahead and said, but it does retail for $55, and it's really cute. I really like it. I look forward to playing with it a lot more. But the next product on here is actually the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. And you guys should know that usually for liner, I tend to use the e.l.f. one with a little brush that kind of looks like a little paintbrush, just because that one is a lot easier for me. But this one, I've actually never tried. I only have tried the Kat Von D lip liner. I forget the color, but I used it on my wedding because one of my friends went ahead and got it for me. Shout out to you, you know who you are. But yeah, this is the Kat Von D, and it retails for $22, and it looks like this. And then when you open it, this is the little brush that it comes in. So I'm kind of scared, but let's go ahead and try it out and see if I can do a winged eye with this. Okay, so I did have a little bit of trouble with this just because I'm not used to that type of brush, like for that specific eyeliner. But yeah, all in all, it didn't come out that bad. I'm kind of pretty proud of it for not trying it ever. What I got was the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, and that actually retails for $21, and it comes again in this little gold packaging. And then the color for this one is Cool Girl. That was always my dream, to be a cool girl. But yeah, so I'm just taking off a little bit, and it says Melted Matte. Usually you guys would know that I like to put chapstick under my any lip gloss, any lipstick, anything. But I don't have it on hand since I am in a different room. But let's go ahead and kind of, okay, so it's a little too matte for me. And let's see. Yeah, I already feel my lips starting to dry with this one. So already I'm kind of not a big fan of this. Oh, if you guys are wondering why, yeah, I look, whoa, I look scary. Okay, yeah, so this is honestly not my favorite at all. This color is way too light for my skin tone. It basically looks like I have dry lips. But yeah, I'll probably give this to someone else because this isn't even my color. My lips already feel like they're drying out a little bit, and yeah, not a fan of this. But I mean, oh well, at least I got it. It does retail for $21, so maybe I could gift it to someone. And then the last two products actually that I'm going to go ahead and talk about. So this one is the In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist, and I want to wipe this lip off before I even set my face. So let me go ahead and do that. And then the next one after that is going to be this little guy right here. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and changed the lip color on this. This one's actually my mom's, but I really like it. So this In Beauty Face Setting Mist actually retails for $32, and it says this engineering face mist is a pick-me-up when you need it. And then it does say it sets makeup, energizes and revives the skin, and it filters away dull, tired, stressed out complexion. So basically it takes all of this away and changes me into a new person, because it takes out the dull, the tired, and the stressed out. So let's go ahead and use this, and let's shake it up a little bit. And it's a cool little blue-green color, but yeah. Okay. Ooh, I got some of that in my mouth. It doesn't taste good, but it does make my face feel refreshed, and it does make it feel re-energized. So I guess it did what it was supposed to. And then lastly, oh, sorry, this one actually retails for $32. I think I already said that, but just in case. And then lastly, it says the Rituals Sakura Shower Gel, and it's a shower gel. So I'm not going to show you guys how I use this, but I haven't used this, and this one is actually the cheapest thing in the box, and it actually retails for $9.50. And it says, give your skin the gift of a new beginning, which we are all looking forward to at the new year. But with the foaming shower gel and the Ritual of Sakura, it says renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. So I look forward to trying this when I'm in the shower. But yeah, so that was all the products for today's BoxyCharm. Again, so sorry you guys that this BoxyCharm video is so late, but you guys already know the whole deal with the shipping and everything like that. But I do look forward to putting more videos up for you guys in the new year. This is actually my last video of the year, but I look forward for the next few videos that I haven't planned for January. And then as well, before I forget, the version that I got for this month's BoxyCharm was actually version 27, and then the retail price for this in total, it was $480 with 50 cents because of the $9.50 for this one. But yeah, please feel free to comment down in the comments if you got the same products, if you got different products, if you even have the BoxyLuxe, if you got the Boxy Premium, or if you guys are subscribed, which products you liked or disliked. If you guys have any tips on how to use this Kat Von D one, feel free to leave it down below as well, because clearly I need help with just this one. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful new year, and I look forward to seeing you guys with more videos. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below with that notification bell, and then as well leave me a comment just saying Happy New Year and Happy New Year to you guys and all your families. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful season. Bye!